Okay, guys and girls, welcome back to the channel. If you this is the channel to be at if you like money and you like crypto and you like making more money. Let's go over the charts right away. If you're not subscribed to our Discord channel yet, then I would suggest you do that, because there you also get trading signals in a timely manner. But right now I have a nice trade set up for you as well, which I'll show you right away. Like we can see a nice double bottom structure, or a W pattern, forming here with a neckline, which is a trend line we have drawn earlier, which has confluence, of course, but you can see we're lacking a little bit of strength right now in order to close the gap to the 42.5, and then possibly have a breakout, a retest, and then up. But if you want to know how it works within TA, how we measure the targets on those patterns, I'll show you right away. This is a trend line. We are drawing it from the neckline here to the lowest bottom, and then we can drag this to the neckline where the breakout is supposed to be. Then you can see that we're having a trade, possible trade to the 47.8k approximately, which is a very nice trade if we can do that, of 12% on a 10x leverage. That's a very significant trade. If we trade the setup, then you have to wait to break out the 42.5 and a possible retest. But I've also got another. I'll delete this one, otherwise it will be a little bit too big. I got another trade set up for you, which is something I just saw right now, and it looks like this. I hope you can see this, guy, because we're having a clear rejection point here. We have a breakout, we have a confirmation, and we have several bullish retests right now on this channel, which also concludes with the green box over here. So what I did is I just before I made this video, I just set up a long trade, and I'm going to ride it out. I have a potential stop loss very low, just a little below the green box, and the potential upward is at least to this line. And if we see that, then we have also confluence with the W pattern, which then leads me to keep the trade going for possibly the 47.8k that we just drew earlier. So this is a very nice trade setup, I guess. What we can see in the MACD is that we're losing a little bit of strength right here, which is somewhat concerning. We have to see on the lower time frame if that is really going to be a problem, because the histogram and the MACD have been in a red territory already, but it's not showing any signs of light red, which would also mean that the bearishness would be gone. But still, I have a lot of confidence in this trade setup. And like I said, I've got a very tight stop loss. So if we break below the green box, then I probably lost a little bit of money, but the risk to reward is very good, because I have a very low risk and a very high possibility of making profits. So let's go over to ETH. If you're subscribed to the Discord channel, then you already saw that I took this trade already. We have seen several retests on the neckline of the W as well. It's the same confluence with the Bitcoin chart, which is very nice. And I'm just a little in profit right now. That's not much, but yeah, I'm keeping it on. It's like 8% profit right now. with a 10x leverage, of course, then and I'm keeping it open, and I'm just waiting to see. I have a stop loss not set up right now, but I'm keeping my eyes on the chart and see if we close below the neckline. If we do that, then I'll probably stop the trade as well. Also depends on what's going on with Bitcoin and the Bitcoin price, of course. On the MACD, we can also see a slight less stronger price action on the histogram on the 4 hour, but in the 1 hour we can see the light red. Oh, it's just turned dark. Dark red again. So what we're probably wanting to see is that it will go up in the green again. Like I said, if it's not, then yeah, I have the possibility of closing in a little bit of a loss, but that's all right. That's how trading goes, of course, and we've been very successful in the last couple of weeks. I also want to show you this chart. If you this is the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin price, and you can see there has been several downtrends earlier, which we're in right now, I have to say, because we can see clearly now that we are having a breakout above this. So what I saw this coming yesterday. So what I did is I sold a little bit of Bitcoin, and I bought back more Ethereum for my spot price. So this is nothing to do with the trades we're doing as well, but this is with spot trading. So I sold a little bit of my Bitcoins and bought Ethereum for that, because I believe that we're going to break out just like we did here. Here we broke out, here we broke out, and like I said, I expect us here to break out as well. So that is yeah, possibly a very nice spot trade which we can use to make more money. That's because that's the only thing that we're doing right here now, of course. So that we're focusing on, and that's correct. So I'll remove these drawings and have a clean sheet. I like to have a clean sheet, which may surprise you because of the charts we're looking at right now, but I can see through the lines because I drew them myself. So basically, to sum it up, I've just set up a Bitcoin trade, which is going right now based on the retest of this level. My Ethereum trade was going in yesterday, which I took on the retest of the neckline here, and I've sold some of my Bitcoin in order to buy more Ethereum, because I believe that we're gonna see a stronger Ethereum versus the Bitcoin. So that's what I'm doing right now. Just a little bit of news from Ukraine. Yeah, possibly one of the best things in news, I guess, because the war, I think, is terrible right now. But the Ukraine has been signing a legalization for Bitcoin and crypto, which seems like big news, but it's not that big. But it is going forward, and the Ukrainian president has signed off new law that will bring crypto assets under a legal umbrella, which just means that they're able to, well, they legalized it, which is good, and they're able to raise taxes on it in the future. So this is yeah, also quite bullish news for Bitcoin. And for Ukrainians as well, because yeah, like you can see with a lot of currencies, and especially the Russian ruble, and is that they're breaking down very hard. If you want to protect your money and not be influenced by law, then yeah, Bitcoin is the way to go. That's the way I believe that we should go, and that's the way I'm doing it for years now. So Well, this was it for today. I want to thank you for your attention, and I appreciate if you would hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell notification. In that way, you can receive these updates in a timely manner. And I'll see you again soon. Thanks. Bye.